What you got in there? What's your build up like?
The head is built, has 2-in-1 stage 1 cams.
You look nice, man.
Springs titanium.
Air change, keeping it local.
Yep. Just came from them today, actually.
Yeah.
Got done doing my intercool piping.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Got 1050 X's injectors, 525 Hellcat pump.
Yeah.
It's on AE85.
Nice. Are you down there yet? How much? You can't bring it too high because it's stuck bottom in, right?
Yeah, exactly. My tuner hobby, you should be down here within like 4 weeks.
Okay.
So I just want to make like 420 around like around that.
Let's keep it at 420.
I got you.
Last day.
Yeah, the last day. I just want to kick Mike right in the nuts. I'm dying over here, and you still got me over here working.
Draft shaft time.
Trying to take it easy, get over the sickness, but. Okay, you ready?
Check it out, guys. Draft shaft is here today.
So we'll go over it again. This is our drive shaft, the 1310 right here, joint, all done. 1100 series. We kept it stock, but we changed out the joints here. Our carrier bearing, same thing with this. So these carrier bearing here could be used for a Freelander or a wagon. So we have it for both now. The slipless line here, and then of course the 1310, and all these bolts straight up to the transfer or the diff.
Sweet.
Right?
It's mock-up time. Okay, we're the bolting. You got the bolts for this?
No, Mike has it, but he's tripping right now. Oh, he don't even have
He's really tripping.
Well, I'll tell you what,
Damn,
he don't even
tripping.
have a transfer on. I know, I got to put a transfer on.
Mike's over here bolting up the diff.
Twist it.
Mike, just get one in and put the transfer case in.
Look at this. Our last drive shaft in the inventory. All from Mike. A whole week of crying. I'm going to get my drive shaft. Mike said the drive shaft's not coming in time.
Hey, Mike.
It's home, finally.
Back home, where it belongs.
It's back home. What are we gonna do? We're gonna get it running. So we're gonna have Roshaun wired everything up here to all this. There's a couple of stuff. We got the radiator sitting somewhere over there that we still gotta finish up for this. So I'll figure that out and change some of this stuff out because it's been sitting for
Like clean it up a
5
little
years,
bit.
I think. Yeah. So we got it done real quick. Boom, 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 and then next thing you know, I got sick, and then we moved shop, and everything just went like it just sat. Now it's back. We're gonna get it running and give it to Omar.
All right. Nice. Everybody likes it.
So let me get the
Yeah, I know.
He's getting this diff up. Let's put 2 bolts in there just to hold it right now. But as you guys can see, our kits come with these holes. You can put bolts in there to hold it so you can line everything up, but we recommend welding. As you can tell, this is all welded. You can't just rip it inside of this, it will just rip it apart. These flex up. That's why we have the support right here. These you can bolt in. You don't have to weld. That's the only part we recommend. But aside from that, everything right here, see it? You can bolt in to size it up where it's gonna go, but you have to weld it. This is actually welded. We shaved it down and, you know what I mean? It's welded right here. You know, It's a decent kit. This is as you said, this is our tubular kit.
Got our brackets. Simple. Keeping it simple. But we will make new ones. Some nice fancy ones. Go grab that
The fat one.
yeah, there's 4 bolts. 4 nuts. Okay, now just look at this. Come and look over here. Oh, no. Hey, cook, it's perfect.
Yes, it's right. Yeah, it looks good right here.
Yeah,
Alright,
that's really good.
we got it. So, we're gonna mark it.
Nice.
Gonna go here. And we're just gonna do one whole one. If you
This
can.
one, the one big one, right?
Yeah.
Mike was riding all static. Think he could drive this thing on a railroad track.
Okay.
Get the marks up.
Yep.
So you guys want to do this thing?
And then now we're gonna take this off. We'll clean this thing off here, and then move this out the way, and then we'll weld the plate onto here. So let's do that. Watch yourself. This is gonna spark this.
Someone cover my face.
No, man, you're good.
No, man, you're good. Right. Oh, no. Up one.
Face it out.
One more time. Okay. So that thing there, that ain't coming
He ain't
out.
going nowhere.
Yeah.
I'm not going nowhere. Ready to rip it mug up and bolt it up.
So now we're gonna drill the hole here. Go put that back on. I mean, put it up and then mark it on both sides, and then do the rest, drill it, and then I'll weld a nut onto it.
Okay, cool. We're looking for some spacers right now to put by the carrier bearings, so we could keep the drive shaft straight.
You got 4 of them?
Of course, we got spacers in abundance. Here's the spacer king right here. He's always spaced out.
What the?
Look at that. Perfect spacers. Man, Mike, you all right? You got that sense up there. You got that sixth sense over there. You got that sixth sense. What's up with this one? Any bigger ones? Bigger spacers? For
Yeah,
these?
just a little bit bigger spacers, just so that we can make sure everything's, you know,
Set in.
completely straight
Straight.
all the way through.
Yep.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna countersink a nut up inside of this plate here, so that we can use the brackets down here and then
Yeah.
be able to bolt it up directly.
Direct to it, right?
Yep.
Yep. You guys, check it out. Come together. Bolts.
Last one.
Everything's up there now. Oh yeah. Looking good, boy. Someone's making a battery
I know. We're just gonna
tied
try
off
to
for that
find
one. Got the
something.
battery on the side.
Figure. Okay. So we can't get no materials, so we just have to come up with something creative. So see here, I think I kind of got an idea. Just have to mark it. Okay, got it. Last minute. Thanks, Mike.
Mike's killing you, dude.
I know. Just let you
Yo,
guys
so
know.
much, before you go, relax with your wife. Oh, you can't make a battery tie down? Real quick. Real quick, man.
I'll just let you know, I'm not even supposed to be here this whole week. I've been super sick this week, and that's why you haven't really seen me here that much. Just trying to recover, but I got Branden team down also.
Mike,
I
Mike.
got you though.
Killing people, dude. That damn EG6.
Yeah. Always.
Come back with a bang.
It's been a long week.
That's right.
gotta use.
Yeah, the brace.
I gotta weld it inside.
So that's all right.
Right in there. We didn't have enough big enough plate, so we just put two together. Look at that.
All right.
Something we just made up.
Brad. Battery Brad.
Zip tie it.
No. We can't do that shit, dude.
Unless you think it'll be easier on the other side.
Yeah, won't it be closer to the alternator and stuff? Or the starter?
Well, all the harnesses and everything come out of this side.
We're gonna sort out some wiring on this right now. The master thing is on it.
Never.
It's not front end either.
Well, the clutch pedal, there's no wire up there for the clutch pedal at all.
Here is it?
But is the ECU asking for it?
Where's that yellow clip?
Yeah, because if the ECU is asking for it.
It doesn't matter if it is or not. It's asking for it. You need to jump it.
I think it's this one right here.
It's yellow?
That one's yellow. See?
Yeah, it's one of these.
I think it's that
It's
one.
this one. Yes, I got it.
Okay, we'll jump it. Let's go.
Do it again.
We gotta press the brake.
Here we go. Hold up. Here we go. Here we go.
We're still not ready. We still gotta put a fuse for the fuel.
No, it's not gonna stop it.
Oh no, man. But prime it up real quick.
Yeah, I'll do that.
I'll go with a little prime.
Whose wallet?
Everything's good.
Mine.
Everything's good. Right. So we know that it's
Thanks for the
cranked, and now we have to just
What do you look like? Oh, you look the same.
so we just
We're just gotta finish the return line and
Okay.
then put some fuel in it.
That's it. Finally got all the fuel situated out. We're about to do a little startup.
Getting it ready to go. Cannot wait.
Got some of the wiring done here. JDI system's up, running good. You guys know we made the battery case, but we haven't.
finished the battery box.
Yeah.
And get that mounted up on
I'm gonna mount up right there. Just haven't done it yet, so we're just gonna do this so we can check out this startup. Let's see where we're at. It's a nice setup. We already got our intercooler source, so this is just for a startup. We're gonna be running T4 turbo on this thing. I'm gonna keep it uploaded with that. Oh, JDI. This thing should start right up.
Here? You started?
Yeah. Chad's the only audience we have here.
I gotta pull out that other card. Did you see the thing we made for it? It looks pretty dope. For what's his face? TR Boys Heart? I forget his name.
Oh, the NSX?
No, TR's Helen. That's what's his face.
Oh, do it.
Yeah,
Oh, what are you making for that?
We already did. It's done. They made it this morning before.
Okay.
They made it yesterday. And
What did they make?
I'll show you. We'll talk about it.
Okay, cool. Oh, Jit, we got
Come on,
another,
we're all waiting,
we got
Mike.
another audience here. Yeah. 3 of us.
Mike, we're all waiting.
Come on. Jit, you saw this motor? Jit saw you his beast. Jit going J series. Here we go. Look at that pressure.
Under pressure.
Soon turbo. There you have it, folks. Mikey, proud?
Yes.
Damn,
So
man.
happy.
Finally. Now, you gotta get a car. You gotta get a car. Well, you have a car. I don't know what's going on. Everybody's asking right now, still, dude. You're still asking for that Nissan.
Dude, I'm in a financial state of my life where I can't do that right now.
Cut. Cut. Anyways, well, check this out, guys. Look what we got here. 4G63. Full Evo swap. Built 1,000 horsepower Evo Diff. And it's gonna go into the hatch.
Evo steering wheel.
Evo steering wheels on this thing. This is a, you know what this is. EG hatch, another EG hatch. Do it. We're gonna show you what we did with that earlier. But yeah. Evo steering wheel, cage, everything. I'm gonna show you guys step by step. But how this one is gonna be different, we're gonna show you guys how to do it with an S1 built kit. Dropping an Evo motor, fully built. And the differential, you know, that's 50-50 split. So stay tuned. And then we're gonna be racing it probably with our Evo with a Kswap in it, right?
Yeah, that's the goal. Yeah, I'll show you this. We just made this little bracket so that you don't get that wing flop.
Oh yeah, he was telling me, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Looks good, right?
Look at that. Okay.
You can get it powder coated or something if you want, but
Yeah, let's keep it raw just like that.
it's stainless, so it shouldn't rust.
Dang, what? You hooked you up. You're gonna go faster now. Holding on that speed and the aerodynamic. That should cut off like
So it doesn't wobble.
1 microsecond.
Just so it doesn't wobble.
I know, it looks nice. You guys seen this going and bringing in the video. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and this EG right here with the Evo swap, that's gonna be on the way. As Chad said, we're only gonna bring it to a certain point, but the full swap certain point with a, you know, using all of our all-wheel drive products that we use in our cars. And this is a EK 4-door. That's getting our full swap, full all-wheel drive. The D series came out. It's gonna be K series. Mike already took out the fuel tank this morning, and yeah, fuel tank's over there.
Fuel tanks out, taking off the trailing arms now.
Yeah.
Took out the motor yesterday, so we're getting there.
Yeah.
This close.
We're gonna be dropping more videos for you guys. I know it's been a while, but look out, we got a lot of projects coming. All right.
Quick, got that MSD switch, B series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us. So K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SX CRX with the K24, reppin' that EF. Go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX before the